Hi! Welcome to the course Software Architecture, Meta and Solid Principles. I'm Elias Fofanov, aka Engineer Spark from EngineerSpark.com, and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career as a postgraduate student participating in Microsoft Imagine Cup contest. I've been working with .NET platform since 2003. I've been professionally architecting and implementing software for nearly 7 years, primarily based on the .NET platform. I'm passionate about building rich and powerful applications using modern technologies. I'm a certified specialist in Windows applications and service communication applications by Microsoft. And here is my teaching approach. No fluff, no ranting, no beating the air, I steam your time. The course material is succinct, yet comprehensive. All important concepts are covered. Particularly important topics are covered in depth. For absolute beginners, I offer my help on Skype absolutely free if requested. Take this course and you'll be satisfied. SOLID is an acronym which stands for SRP, OCP, LSP, and DIP. Another 5 acronyms. These 5 acronyms, in their turn, stand for Single Responsibility Principle, Open-Closed Principle, Liskov Substitution Principle, Interface Segregation Principle, and Dependency Inversion Principle. In this course, you'll learn how to apply solid and meta principles so that your application will live a long, healthy life. It means you are going to learn how to write code of the high quality, readable, understandable, and reliable. Improve your knowledge in object-oriented programming. Understand the meta principles on which all the other development principles are based. Understand the symptoms of code defects. Learn the foundations of solid principles. Learn how to detect the violations of solid principles and how to fix the problems. Learn how meta principles and solid principles are related to each other and how to find the balance between them. Despite the fact that C# is a very rich on features language, it's very common to see poorly designed and implemented applications in the real world. Programming language by itself does not guarantee that the architecture of an application will be great. In order to design and build maintainable software, we need to understand the principles of software development. This video course is exactly about how to achieve clean and maintainable software. You probably have already heard the following well-known statement: most code sucks. Well, this course is all about how to produce code which doesn't suck. Owning skills of producing a well-designed and well-implemented types is the prerequisite for the other developers to treat you as a decent professional. This course is aimed at middle and senior developers. Of course, some experience in C# is required. If you're a junior programmer, then I would say that you have to have at least half of a year of real-world experience in enterprise development. If you don't know how to work in Visual Studio, this course is not for you yet. There are plenty of code examples throughout this course, so that you'll learn both theoretical and practical material. Starting with solid principles, we will go further to the meta principles. Going through the solid principles, you'll also learn about the related patterns. Then we will get to the problem of contradictions between different principles. You'll learn about the relationships between solid principles and meta principles. In general, you'll learn in this course the 5 solid principles: SRP, OCP, LSP, ISP, and DIP. These are the solid principles. You'll learn the background problems that can be solved by a particular principle. You'll see the demonstrations in code. You'll learn the related patterns to every principle. Learning DIP, you will in addition learn what is dependency injection, inversion of control, IOC containers, how to build a simple IOC container, and what are the architectural implications of dependency injection. Here are the other topics you'll learn in this course. Dry, don't repeat yourself principle, KISS principle, keep it simple, stupid. Yagni principle, you ain't gonna need it. SOC principle, separation of concerns. CQS, command query separation principle, the law of Demeter. And POLA, principle of least astonishment. Information hiding and encapsulation. API development principles. Contradictions between Solid and Yagni. Contradictions between OCP and Yagni. What is architecture and design? You'll get tons of very important to know information. Enroll and start learning the solid and meta principles of building software systems.